Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding which content survives the switch. Choose 6 to 12 strong posts and archive the rest so your feed stays focused. Next, export your best images at 1080 pixels wide. This keeps Instagram quality consistent. Then, write a concise bio under 150 characters with one clear CTA and a single link. This replaces your blog header. Once done, make sure you have a content calendar of 10-14 posts, ready to stagger the migration. You now reshape blog copy into Instagram-friendly formats. Break long posts into 6 to 10 carousel slides, or compress ideas into 1 to 2 punchy captions with a hook. Shorter lines increase engagement. Use portrait images at 1080 by 1350 pixels so each slide fills mobile screens, and test readability at actual phone size. Once formatted, assemble a set of 5 to 10 relevant hashtags plus one branded tag. This balances reach and identity. Then schedule posts over 2 to 3 weeks to maintain momentum. You finish by launching deliberately. Publish the first 3 posts spaced 24 to 48 hours apart so your audience sees a consistent new theme. Then switch your profile to creator or business to access analytics and contact buttons. This helps replicate blog navigation. Make sure your single link points to a link in bio page or the most important piece of content, and pin story highlights for archived topics. If something goes wrong, check link behavior, image cropping, and whether captions trigger lower engagement. Adjust and repost as needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.